I mean, look at the difference in that. Oh, that's crazy.
Turning.
Atta girl. I mashed my fingers off. Get on, say hi. Hey guys, I'm Ben with Off-Road Recon, and today we've got a review on a couple special products for you. We've really been needing something like this to help us when we're off-roading, getting dirty, dusty, muddy, rain, whatever. So what we have today is shinearmor's ceramic coating and shinearmor's nano glass coating. We have never used these products before. They are not paying us to make this video. However, full disclosure, they did send us these products for free to review. So what we're going to do is we're going to tape off half of the vehicle so the passenger side will not have anything on it, just be cleanly washed. We did pre-wash this at the car wash, and then we did a spot-free rinse on it. But now what we're going to do is we're going to do the driver's side glass and the nano glass coating, and then the same thing on the driver's side. We're going to use their ceramic spray on the paint job. And then the third product, and we're not going to get into this today, and this is Odor Eliminator shinearmor's leather interior fragrance. They are US based products. They are made in the US. The headquarters is in the US, and they are all environmentally friendly products. So we'll start with the ceramic spray. It does say apply the ceramic spray to the microfiber cloth, not to the paint. And we're just going to kind of try to eyeball the center of the Jeep here, and hopefully there is enough difference that it makes that we'll be able to tell easily later. And it says to do it in a buffing motion, just like we're doing. I don't know if you're supposed to use this on plastic, but we're going to give it a shot. I mean, I'll say this right now, it shines it up good for the interim, you know, like immediately. Now, the question is, will that hold? We have done a full coat all the way around the passenger's or the driver's side of the Jeep. And now it says let's sit 2 to 4 minutes, then buff it off, let it cure for a couple hours. And while it's curing, we're going to apply the nano coating to half the windshield. So let's see how it goes. And you can see just a slight, ever so slight film that you're kind of buffing off. The film doesn't show up too much on the fenders. Yeah, you can just see ever so slightly film on here. So there's a film, and you wipe that film away and it's shiny. Film, wipe it away. Hard to tell a difference in the shade. You can tell a difference on the bumper for sure. Really darkened it out, took that grayness out of it. So about 2 ounces of a bottle will do a Jeep Wrangler and a good coating of it. So now our nano glass technology coating, and we're going to do half the windshield and all the driver's side windows and also the driver headlight. Definitely smells unique. So we're going to start back up here and start removing it. Just, I mean, it takes a little elbow grease to pull it off, because I mean, it put a good film on there. I think it's the product at work, because it's cleaning up nice. So something that wasn't really planned, but I'll sure show you guys this slide test. I've been holding these up here just kind of trying to see, you know, get a picture of them. But you can see, I mean, it's slick. This is the non-protected side. You can see it kind of grabs and just falls over. All right, guys, so I've got it applied to the driver's side. My camera's starting to die on me, so we're gonna wrap this up here. But keep an eye here. We're leaving on Saturday to go for a ride, and we are gonna leave this just how it is until then. It is the second day, so this stuff should be good and cured on here. See the water spots. Try the windshield. Oh yeah, I just dropped it all right off the windshield. Slid right off. Much better. I'd say there's no question about the nanotechnology on the glass. Look at that. Doesn't even look like there was water on it. Literally just dumped it off. Water drops.
You see, like on the corner here, like that one, you can clearly see where it's wiped at.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's almost like it's holding off as much as the windshield wiper would. Spots, but man, it's just smooth. I mean, it just wipes them right off. Yeah, look at this. Look at the difference. Okay, so it just wipes these water spots right off, just barely touching it, right? Come over to this side, you just keep wiping and wiping and wiping, and the water spots don't even move. Okay, so what it's doing here is it's beading up in a lot smaller beads and kind of rolling off on the side that's been ceramic coated. So what I foresee happening is when we run this thing through the car wash, and we're gonna do it this time, normally we wouldn't, but I think that this side is gonna hose right off, the ceramic coating side. And the other side, the mud will be stuck and really dug in deep to the paint job. And I think that's gonna be the biggest difference, is being able to just kind of rinse it off. So look at the windshield here, how the water spots are holding up on this side, the water and mud spots, where there was no nanotechnology glass coating. And on this side, they're completely gone. It's weird how it beads up.
Yeah, it definitely looks way different from side to side. That's so weird. Look down the middle. There's like a line down the middle.
Okay. Ceramic coating is working. It just beads everything up, including the mud. Crazy. Glass on this side with the nano coating. Dude, this stuff's working good. It just beads up on this side. Yeah, this is the side of ceramic. This is the side without. There's clumps of mud, muddy water holding up. So here's the side without. Here's the side with. That way. I mean, look at the difference in that. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, what's up, guys? So we're here at the car wash, and we've had a full day of riding, and we tried to hit it with pretty much everything we could think of. You can look at the windshield and the nanotechnology, nano coating. You can see on the passenger side where we didn't have it, there's mud and water spots everywhere. Driver's side, there is not. It almost looks like we just washed the windshield. Above all, I feel really good about the product so far. You guys can find this product on our website. Oh, also, now we're gonna see how quickly it will wash with the ceramic coating on there. We're gonna see which one washes better. This is the side without the ceramic coating, and you can see the mud is just caked on it. Still pretty muddy, and it's sticking on there good. So now we're getting into the ceramic coating over here. You can see the water just beads off of it. Oh yeah, it's walking off way. Thanks for tuning in to Off-Road Recon. We hope you enjoyed our review. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Also, if you click the link in the description to buy these products, you'll save 20% off your total shopping cart. We're super excited to get our hands on some more ShineArmor products, and we can't wait to bring you more videos about them. And until next time, we'll see you on the trail.